Hello guys, back with Denver here from IT and Autos, and today will be my first English video, and it will be how to install Oxygen OS GSI in Realme 3 Pro. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't. And today we'll show you how to install Oxygen OS GSI and installing the fix. Okay, first you need to get into TERP. If you haven't watched the part 1 and 2, please watch it first, so you'll be able to be here now. Okay, press format data. Yes, so this will be the first thing you need to install. You need to format your data first, then reboot the recovery. Uncheck this too. Booting the recovery. After that, you'll need to install decryption zip first. Whoop. Yep. You need to install the decryption fix. Oh, no. Okay. You can also use your laptop and plug it to your phone and put it in your internal storage. Even in TERP mode you can. And through the decryption, don't check this too, make sure. Okay, done flashing. Okay, now we can finally install the Oxygen OS. So you can again use your laptop, put it in your phone, but I've installed the IMG file and my SD card, the image file, so let's just go. For me, it's in here, and make sure to press install image. There we go. And the Oxygen OS is this one, 18 June Oxygen OS on system image. Make sure it's on system image unless you broke your device, like badly it'll break, and maybe you need to medic first and redoing it, which is gonna waste your time. So let's flash. Okay, this is gonna take around 3 minutes. Okay, after done installing GSI, you can here do this back, and you can reboot to you need to actually root your device. So here's the trick. Actually, in that file, in that GIS file, you also can install it from TERP if you have TERP already, like me. So you basically can move that file, platform tools like this. Have the image already, is boot R and recovery R for me. Know that. Alright. For this, we also already have a root installed right now, because Oxygen OS I think can only boot in root. I don't know. So let's reboot to the recovery so that it'll let the boot be enabled. Put it down. Right. Oh yeah, and in Oxygen OS you can also plug your SD card to your device and plug it to your laptop, because it will detect as USB and it will be in the Android's format, so the laptop won't be able to read it and ask you to format. Yeah, that's kind of the bug in Oxygen OS. And after that, I think, yeah, maybe lock screen bug, you can't lock your device, fingerprint bug. Yeah, I think that's all in Oxygen OS. I mean, the battery is unlike any other GSI, it's actually good, but it takes time. So at the first day it's gonna be not so good, but at the second it'll keep gone better and better until about maybe 4 to 5 days, and it will just as good as ColorOS in my experience. And this boot actually may take around 5 minutes, so you need to be patient and just keep positive thinking. Stop on saying like, oh no, I believe my device. Just stop. Just wait. It's the first boot. Every phone does that. Okay. Oh, and by the way, in Oxygen OS you don't really need permissiver. That's why I didn't flash it just now. And finally it boots. Okay. Well, in this situation I'll have so many bugs here. It's basically gonna be unusable. Everything will crash. So all you need to do is download the latest Google Play service from APK Mirror. Well, any website actually, but I recommend APK Mirror first. Why not? Okay, back to the laptop. Now, as I say, you can plug it now. Set it as file transfer. Okay, see, as you can see there, it will say that your memory card is corrupted because I don't know, the Android have different format for SD cards since Android Marshmallow and later from the older one. I don't know why. Okay, so you can actually access your storage. So now I have download. There's two fix here. There is fold. You can just move it to desktop first. And this Google Play service. There's three fix. So fold is for fixing the power issue where you will only get black screen when you restart or power off instead of restarting or power off. And Google Play service, I don't know, but the Google Play service seems to be always crash. So we need to update the Play service. And the last one, oh yeah, the last one will be fixing notch. If you see on the device, there will be a very weird notch. It's actually a OnePlus 6 notch, but yeah, it's Oxygen OS from OnePlus 6, but wow, this is weird. But we can fix it later. Now, here is an internal storage. You can put it in, crack it like this, copy it to your phone easily. So, some of you may ask why I don't use Google Chrome and download it instead, because Google Chrome also crashed without this Play service, so you can't use Google Chrome for now, normally. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, whatever. Go to File Manager. So the very first thing you need to install, you go to internal storage and install this. This is very important. The Google Play service. See, and it will have some OnePlus privacy policy update. Just update it. So it's finished. I'm sorry if there's some other noise outside because my house kinda a bit noisy. Okay, done. And now you need to download from Google Chrome. Yeah, whatever. Just allow it. Now you can access Google Chrome finally, and you can sign in, but I wouldn't. I haven't had a connection. Let's connect it to my Wi-Fi. And finally, I have connected to Wi-Fi. Now I can go search Root Explorer. Make sure you download the latest version here, 4.4.2. Yeah, I downloaded from up to down. Back here, present root explorer. Gonna take some time. Coordinate your internet connection speed. And okay, you can press that and it will download it. Install the app. And you need to copy full the file we have from our laptop, which you can take from our Indonesian group again. Well, at this moment we should allow it from a gist, but see, so we need to install a gist manager too correctly. This point, a root explorer does need root, so we need to go to super user, maybe let it, okay, go to root explorer again, maybe, there we go, grant, and it'll be here. So we go to system and bin, where's bin? There we go. You'll see fault here, the file we're gonna replace, and this is storage. You can cut it out, move it to bin. Yes, yeah, okay, so it often failed. I don't know why. We need few tries. Fault. But it does really often to fail. I mean, like in some cases. See? It will delete. And now you can move forward. It's weird sometimes. You know, this app. I don't know, maybe it's long not updated. Now it's final success, and go to fold again, fold, right, and change the permission. Do it like this. Okay. See that? Just like the other files. So now all we need to do is update my gist first, so that you can install the notch killer, which will also available in our Indonesian group. I mean, we have a lot of files in the group. Now here's the thing, you can't actually reboot even you have fakes, but you just install the fakes unit one time to force reboot your phone by power volume up, like this, just holding it for around 10 seconds. And it will reboot. Oh yeah, make sure to remember to boot to recovery, or your system may not boot. So I'm holding 10 seconds again, just to let the system reboot and boot to recovery. Like, it sometimes takes longer than 10 seconds, but Realme claims it to be 10 seconds. Now I finally boot to bootloader again. Let's press reboot to recovery. And now we have all power issue fakes Google Play fixed. Now the only thing need to fix is that annoying notch that looks so weird. Okay, by opening widgets when easier, and sometimes for a first boot it won't be responsive like that. Okay, I'll go to now. You need to download the notch killer, which will also available actually in my group, but just let's re-download it again because we have Google Chrome installed here, and the autofocus starts being sucks again. I don't know why OnePlus 6 do this. Okay, it's kind of hard to find in Google. Let's just open in our group. That's why you must join our group, because we have everything in the group. And where's the group document file? Here. You see that? Notch Bar Killer version 8. To copy it to your phone again. Now let's plug the device. Use file transfer. Move it to your internal storage like that. Now let's reopen my gist. Go to modules, press this button. It's again unresponsive for a first boot. Always, all customers did that. And now let's go to the internal storage. This is hidden. Show internal storage. There we go. And install this. Now reboot again to recovery. I would rather shutting down than turn it on to recovery, since I haven't enabled advanced reboot. Now finally we're back here. Means that we already have the notch killer installed. So all you need to do is go to about phone, build number, press it around 7 times. Now go to system, developer option, go down there, and go to the simulate a display with a cutout. Use notch killer and it will be fixed. There we go. So that's it. Now you can use your phone normally. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.